Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go. So let me just open up the game, show you guys what's going on in my account, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see guys, it's loading right here. Just give it a second to go ahead and load. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the shop. As you can see, I got 94,000 dice rolls, but I'm going to show you guys how to get even more. So this is super insane. Now before we start, you need to go to the settings and make sure that you have your user ID. This is very important. So make sure you go ahead and copy that, guys, in order to get your free dice rolls. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the shop and just show you guys my dice rolls thing right here. So let me just go ahead and do that. So as you can see, I have 94,000 dice rolls. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this site. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So the website is called dicyrolls.cc. So once you're on the site, you just need to choose how much dice rolls you want to add to your account. And then after you do that, go ahead and press claim now. So now we need to enter our user ID and select whether we're using an iPhone or an Android. So after we do that, I'm just going to go ahead and press continue. And basically it's going to load. Now before you actually get your dice rolls, you do have to do a verification. So this is just where you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're totally free and they're from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to load and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it's generating my dice rolls. So we'll just give it a second to do that. Alright, so now it's going to bring us to the verification page. So what we're going to do, guys, is just go ahead and press verify now, and it's going to bring us to the list of apps, and we just have to download 2 of the apps and complete the instructions. They're completely free. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 2 of them. So for me, I'm going to do Travel Town, so it's going to take me over to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go ahead and go back on the list, and I'm just going to go ahead and download one more. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do Dice Dreams. So it's going to take me to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So I'm just going to run the Travel Town right here, just doing some basic interactions. You know, it's pretty easy. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. Pretty simple. So let's just go ahead and do this right here so you can see. Alright, so I'm just running this right here, as you can see. Alright, pretty easy. And I know some of you guys don't know how to do this, but trust me guys, it is simple once you get the hang of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here. So you know what, guys, I think we're pretty much done. So let's go to the home screen and do the other app, which is the Dice Dreams. So let's just go ahead and run that one right here. Same thing, guys, just got to do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and play through it. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing around with it. Alright, I know, like, you probably don't know what Dice Dreams is, but trust me, it's very easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, just going to go ahead and run it. You know what, guys, I think we're pretty much done. So I'm going to go to the home screen and see if I got my dice rolls, guys. Let's go over to the home screen and see if this works, okay? So this is insane. So I'm going to go ahead and check, and let's see what happens. I don't know what happens, honestly. Oh my gosh, it's working, guys. So be sure to try this out. It's super insane. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But if you guys wanted to get free dice rolls, be sure to try this out because it's super cool. Oh my gosh, I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.